Hi guys, welcome back on my channel. I am Christy, I am makeup artist and photographer, and I would like to share with you what's been happening over the 1 year of 2022. I have to say it's been a year of enormous growth. I feel like it was 10 years in one, considering my work. However, my progress has been incredible. I started 2021 at the end as a kind of okay photographer. I got new lens. From the new lens I started improving my Photoshop skills, and my editing is different now to before. And also I had so much beautiful artwork in my computer, so I have decided I will create a magazine. Now I will share with you all the projects I've been doing in the past year, and I will share with you something little about the magazine that is coming up early next year. And also I will share with you some of my plans that I am actually trying to achieve next year. So there is lots to come. You keep tuned, give me thumbs up and subscribe down here, and let's get into the video. Okay, so let's get started. In 2021 I was using 5D Mark III camera, and I was using Canon 85 1.8 lens. I love 1.8 lens so much. I done some incredible shots during this year, and I was looking for something more in depth, a little bit of more bokeh. So for Christmas I actually got myself a little present, and I bought myself Canon 85mm 1.2. Now that was a massive life changer, because you wouldn't believe how much change happened in my photography thanks to getting this lens. I truly think that this lens is complete magic. As you can see, these are some of the pictures that I have done, probably for the very first time with this lens. It was completely incredible, but I remember I was with Anetka on the beach in Casuarina in Darwin, Australia, and I was really annoyed because I saw some videos of what this lens can do, and it wasn't reflecting in my work, and I was very frustrated at the start. So if you have any new gear, be patient, because you're gonna have to learn how to use it, settings, and figure out everything, including the edits. So if you don't pick it right away, I'm sure you can fix it later. It's just about a little bit of patience. Now over the year I've been doing crazy projects. This is one of the first projects that I have done. I remember with this particular project I started feeling that I'm doing something right, and specifically this photo. It was the moment when I was looking at it in the Photoshop after I edited it, and I cried. I cried just watching the beauty. It was incredible. It was something I was looking forward to, because with my gear I'm trying to connect on a deeper level than just using it as a tool to work. I feel like my lens have feelings, and I was strongly connecting with my camera, with my lens over this period of time. And it was incredible. I cannot explain it. And so I fell in love with the lens enormously. And I was following a lot more projects that I will show you now. This project's been improving my skills over the time. I was getting a whole bunch of new models that I never worked with, and I was trying to posing coach them. At the same time I was trying to figure out still the lens, and then in editing process I was also doing a lot of changes. So it was literally force of throwing myself into the waters of uncertainty and doing all the time something new. Every project had a different feel, different speed, different models, and every model is a little bit different. Some models are kind of a dancey posing, and some models are kind of like, yeah, this pose, this pose, this pose, this pose. So it was a lot of experience as well with non-modeling girls who are just friends to really professional models. So there was a lot of variety going on during all these projects, and I gained so much experience. Over the whole year I was doing these different projects, and I started approaching companies. I approached company like a Pink Hill Boutique. They are my favorite boutique in Darwin. They have amazing Camilla dresses, and they have amazing jewelry and bags and shoes and everything you can think of. So I was shooting for this boutique for some time, and we done a few projects. And then I started collaborating with other companies and businesses who actually had venues. There was Darwin Club, for example. There was just a whole bunch of different businesses, scooter shop. There was pictures with scooters, obviously. There was completely something new, and I started doing behind the scenes for all these different projects. Now, my behind the scenes started with Michael Harry, who is my videographer for over 3 years. But nowadays, I approached professional camera people. They are called the Hero Productions. Mwah! Love your work, guys. It's been incredible. We exchanged services. They like me to come and shoot for them sometimes, photography or behind the scenes for them as well. So we as a creators have to help each other and share our skills sometimes, and just spend the time to help one another. And so that's what we did. I was helping with some events for them, and they've been shooting these incredible videos for me. So this was kind of end of the year-ish of creating all this amazing content with this ridiculously professional camera work. I was so excited, and I spent at least a week on editing each video because I value my friends' time, and I was editing their work, and I know they are very, very good, and I did not want it to look ridiculous, so I spent a little bit more time on editing those just to make sure it's extra perfect. Kind of at the start of year to end, 3-4 months before now, and I looked through all my work, and I saw so much beauty. I saw so many beautiful portraits I have done with my models and with all the companies I've been collaborating with during the whole year. And I was crying because they are just in my computer, and I did not really do anything with them. And so I have decided that I want to print my portraits into like a little booklet. So if I go somewhere, I actually can physically show somebody my work and they can see it on paper. And then I was looking through my work, and I was thinking, so here is Pink Hill, and here is Creative Jewelry, and here is you know, like all the companies I was working with, the Darwin Club, and just a whole bunch of them. And I was like, it would be cool if I can promote the businesses while I'm printing my portraits, because that's all their product or their venue. And so I contacted them, and I asked them if I can use for like a little booklet the work that we done together. And they were very interested into what it is and how they can be involved in the whole process. And suddenly I started to think that I maybe will not use it just for my own promotion, but promote those businesses as well. And that's how this whole idea started. I literally just wanted to show my work in some other form than on the screen. Now I'm in a process where I have multiple businesses from around town I done photo shoot with. I was neither modeling or I was taking the photos and doing the makeup and hair for the models. I have now about 80 pages of goodness. There is all my work I have done in the whole year, and now it's becoming an official magazine for Darwin NT. Magazine is very interactive. If you have a page there with pictures, you can also watch on most of them behind the scenes from the project. So I am hoping people will enjoy it, engage with it. I am also giving away a little package for photography, makeup and hair for the lucky person who will be selected. All they need to do is pretty much subscribe my YouTube channel. So I will be picking some of the subscribers through the magazine, and I will be sharing it on my Facebook page, Christinobo's Makeup Artist Darwin. So if you want to check if you are the lucky one from the subscribers from local Darwin, please visit that page and it will show you if you won or not. Now for next year I have booked trip for dry season to Europe, what is summer in Europe. I will be going to Poland, Czech Republic, I will be visiting Turkey as well, and maybe Slovakia. We'll see how much time we have, but this is kind of a rough plan of what we're gonna do. I am also planning to go before the Europe trip to Bali to do some projects, photography, videography. I signed up for a new course, and the course has a lot of digital nomads in Bali. So I will try to connect with all of them and maybe we do some work together. Sorry. And at the end of the year I would love to wrap it up in Thailand and do some projects there and work. It's all open. I am leaving the universe to come to me and show me around a little bit. I never done remote work including travel before, so I am very excited to see where this journey takes me. And now I would love to wrap up this whole video. I hope you enjoyed the visuals and I hope that this information's been great for you. A little bit of update and a little bit of know-how, how you can improve in 1 year as much as I did. And now I will wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and I will see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.